Scientific Notation, Lesson 5 Notes. Example number 7. At sea level, the speed of sound is about 3 times 10 to the second meters per second. The speed of light is about 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. About how many times faster is the speed of light than the speed of sound at sea level? So example number 7 is very similar to the population problem we did in example number 5. So when it says about how many times faster, that means we're going to need to divide. So we're going to need to divide here. Well, remember, in order to divide, we want to do the larger number divided by a smaller number. So I know that the 3 times 10 to the second is the smaller number because it has the smaller exponent. So go ahead and circle that and write this down. Okay, so we're going to take the 3 times 10 to the 8th and divide it by 3 times 10 to the second. Three times 10 to the 8th divided by 3 times 10 to the second. All right, so to put this in, I'm going to start with my fraction button. 3 times 10 to the 8th. Now remember, if you're using the calculator at the school or the one like the schools, use that times 10 to the nth button. It makes putting this in much easier. You'd still would need to press the fraction button first. Always press the fraction button first. All right, so now on the bottom, I've got 3 times 10 squared. Divide that out, and I get 1 million. So this would equal 1 million. Now, the speed of light is 1 million meters per second faster than the speed of sound. Think about what you would witness in everyday life that proves to you that the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. The best example I can come up with is lightning and thunder. All right. If the storm is close, we still usually see the lightning first and then hear the thunder. The further away a storm is, we'll see the lightning and then it'll be several seconds and then the thunder. That's proof to you that the speed of light is faster than the speed of sound. Anyway, for our final answer, the speed of light is about, and I went ahead and I changed it to scientific notation, 1 times 10 to the 6th, or 1 million meters per second faster than the speed of sound. So again, I took this, I knew my exponent went after the 1. So 1 times 10, and there are 6 numbers here, so 1 times 10 to the 6th. Pause your video, get all that written down. Okay, well, I will tell you that there are 2 questions like this on a worksheet that you will get later. Both times it is a single digit answer. So you're not going to have to worry about changing it to scientific notation. And you're not going to have to worry about rounding. It's just going to be a single digit answer. Like it might be 7 times greater, about 7 times greater, or so forth, okay? But the key word here is don't forget the word about, because this is an approximate answer, all right? And those the ones, so it'll say about 7 times greater or about 7 times more, something like that. If you have any questions on example 7, please do not hesitate to ask.